Welcome back, bakers. You're watching Le Bon Baker. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to be making a really beautiful crumble. This crumble can be used for tarts, for pies, and any other fruit crumble that you might like. I'm going to be using mine for my beautiful apple pie. Grab yourself a large mixing bowl and then I'll take you through the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to be doing this recipe by hand, so jewelry off. Over here we've got some all-purpose flour, some rolled oats, we've got brown sugar, we've got some salt, some cinnamon, white sugar and butter. And for the full ingredients, you can check it out at lebonbaker.com, and I'll also include the quantities in the link below. All that we have to do is put all of our dry ingredients into the mixing bowl, give it a mix up, make sure it's all nice and incorporated, and then we're going to start adding the butter. And we're going to be using our hands, we're not going to be squeezing it, we're just going to be kind of crumbling it with our hands until it comes to a really nice texture. So throw it all in. That looks good, so I'm going to add in my butter. And don't worry if you've got some bigger chunks of brown sugar, it's just going to break up when we do the butter. So with your hands, just coat the butter with the flour mixture and then just lightly start to break it down into the crumble. So I'm just continuing to mix it and crumble, mix and crumble, mix and crumble, and I'm going to just keep doing this until it starts to form that correct texture. So you can see that it's starting to form a really nice crumble here. You can break it down really easily. All the flour's got a little bit of butter coated in it, and it's that really nice crumbly texture that we want. So just to show you what I'm doing with my hands, I'm just sort of mixing all of the ingredients together and then really lightly holding it and pressing down, pressing my fingers together to create those little balls of the crumble. This crumble can be made ahead of time. If you want to do that, all you have to do is make it, bag it and freeze it, and it'll be good to go as soon as you need to use it again. I'm also going to be using this recipe right here in my very own amazing apple pie, so check out that video too. So there you have it, our gorgeous crumble. So golden, it's going to be so buttery and oaty when we eat it later on. Now this recipe, the best part is that you don't need anything except for your hands and a few ingredients. If you like baking with me in the kitchen, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Le Bon Baker, for all tips, tricks and recipes for the home baker.